Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 12 Weeks of Christmas 2022. This collaboration is hosted by B&V Crafts and More and Kelly Creative Dreams. It is week 5, which is October 30th. Happy day before Halloween. I'm all excited about tomorrow night because trick-or-treating here in town in Green Bay, Wisconsin is from 3 to 6. And I'm dressing up this year, so I'm excited. I usually walk with the kids, but I usually don't dress up. I do have a shirt that says, "You can't scare me, I have grandkids." But this year I'm actually in a costume. I am the grandma from Little Red Riding Hood. Riley Rue, my youngest granddaughter, is Little Red Riding Hood. And Diamond, Sam, Allie, Lakota, Riley, and Sosalia's family dog, Zeus, is the big bad wolf. So, but you're not here to hear that. But I will post some pictures. Probably in my crafting group as well as my Facebook name if you know me. You're here to see what Christmas idea I came up with. Okay. You all know that I've been using a lot of my homemade paper, my mixed media paper I made, and I want to try to use as much as possible as I can. So I was sitting here with this bunch left over, which I still have some to work with. What can I make? I made gift card holders. And the gift card holder is the size of a library card. This is the template I use. Good idea, you know, if you're like, I need a template, I need something. And I don't like to measure. I like to trace. So this worked perfect. Here we go. I only need to make 3 because it's all I give out for gift cards, guys. Diamond, Sam, Sosalia. That's it. The son gets money in his Mac account. Mac tool account. So what I did is, of course, it's my mixed media paper. As I have chipboard. And I just painted the back. Just regular red paint. And put some of my mixed media paper on. This is a Delusion stamp that I colored. This is a Dollar Tree bows. They come in like this. I stacked up last year, so I have a lot. Put that on top. Down here, this is a stamp I had. And I colored it. And this little Santa Claus was actually a cupcake pick. I took the pick out. And also, what I will do when it comes closer to it, I will put punch a hole here, get some pretty string, Christmas related, and I will put the gift card, whatever the amount it is, here, and I will hang it off my tree so then I don't lose them. And then their gift cards are in the tree. So that is this one. And then basically they're the same except for this one. I got a different Delusion stamp up here, colored, and then same down here. And as well here, Christmas bulbs here. Now, to make the pocket, as you can see, there's a little space. As it's just another little chipboard piece with my paper on, and I just took some thin foam tape so that it gives a little more space in between. And then it's there. So, use what you have, you know? Like, I made my mixed media paper and I've done 3 projects with it now, and then come up with another project here, or I might add these and make more Christmas cards because it's just my bits and bobs is what I call these. So you never know what I will do with them. And just be creative. Think out of the box. Think out of the box sometimes. If you have any creative gift card holders that you have created, mine are very simple. I mean, I've seen some really elaborate ones, but I did simple. Share them with me. I'd like to see them. Please go check out everybody that's doing these projects. I've seen some wonderful craftsmanship going on. And that's all, folks. I thank each and every one of you that have been watching these videos. There are how many weeks left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks left, guys, till the 18th of December. Where'd this year go? went way too fast to be in the Christmas season already. But I'm thoroughly enjoying it. So, want to thank you for watching. Please go check out the other participants. They are linked in the description box below. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.